Hundreds of Afghans took to the streets in Kabul on Saturday to protest against the US decision to transfer a part of Afghanistan's national reserves to a trust in Switzerland. The protesters demanded the immediate, full release of Afghanistan's central bank reserves.
تظاهرات ما امروز جمع‌آوری ما در پیشروی کمیسیون حقوق بشر است. امریکا باید با زودترین فرصت همین پول افغان‌ها را باید اعلام کنه، آزاد بسازه.
یا امریکا دی زرت زرت افغانانو 9 میلیارد شتمانی آزاد.
The protesters issued a declaration at the end of the demonstration, accusing the US-led forces of war crimes and atrocious killing of innocent Afghans. In the declaration, protesters also asked for the immediate and full unfreezing of Afghan assets and the trial of soldiers who have committed war crimes. Following the withdrawal of the US-led forces from the Asian country, Afghanistan's assets worth more than $9 billion were frozen by the United States as part of its sanctions on the new rulers of the war-torn country. The US government announced Wednesday that the $3.5 billion of Afghan central bank reserves it had frozen will be transferred to a newly established Afghan fund in Switzerland.